Welcome to Consumer Pick. The best 10-ton jack is probably one of the most essential tools for anyone dealing with heavy lifting, whether you're a professional mechanic, a DIY enthusiast, or simply someone who needs to manage large vehicles. This powerful hydraulic device can effortlessly lift immense weight, making tasks like tire changes, repairs, and maintenance significantly easier and safer, ensuring you're always prepared for unexpected situations on the road or in the garage. Number 5. Big Red T91003B Torin Hydraulic Bottle Jack. Introducing the Big Red T91003B Torin Hydraulic Bottle Jack. It's built for both home and professional use, offering robust lifting capabilities. It features a serrated, heat-treated saddle for a secure grip and a wide lifting range. The adjustable screw top adds extra versatility for various tasks. Constructed from drop-forged alloy steel, this jack is engineered for quality and durability. Its welded structure ensures leak-free performance. The glide-action pressure pump allows you to lift heavy loads with minimal effort. It's designed for smooth and easy operation. Safety is paramount with its built-in oil bypass and overload valve, protecting the hydraulic system. It also meets ASME safety standards. This powerful tool offers a 10-ton lifting capacity, making it ideal for demanding jobs. It comes with a limited 1-year manufacturer warranty for peace of mind. What we like. This bottle jack offers a secure grip with its serrated saddle and robust construction. Its leak-free design ensures reliable performance for both residential and commercial tasks. If you need a dependable jack for general vehicle maintenance or light construction, this is a solid choice. What people say. The jack has a wide lifting range, making it suitable for various vehicles. It is built with a durable steel construction that ensures longevity and stability. The hydraulic system is smooth and provides precise control during lifting and lowering operations. Number 4. Sunex 1410 10-ton high-height pin-type jack stands. Introducing the Sunex 1410, a pair of robust jack stands designed for heavy-duty support. They offer exceptional stability for all your vehicle service needs. With a combined capacity of 10 tons, these stands provide reliable and secure support for vehicles during maintenance and repair. You can trust them to hold steady under significant load. Featuring a pin-type column, they offer 10 adjustable height intervals. This allows you to easily find the perfect working height, ranging from 28.1 to 46.5 inches. The square base footprint ensures stable positioning, while the saddle helps center the vehicle's frame or axle. This balanced configuration guarantees safe and balanced support. Constructed for demanding applications, these jack stands are ideal for inspections, maintenance, and repairs. They are built to last and perform consistently. Rest assured with a 1-year warranty from Sunex Tools. This commitment to quality means you're investing in a product that's built to meet professional standards. What we like. These jack stands provide an exceptional height range, perfect for tasks requiring significant clearance. The pin-type support ensures secure and adjustable positioning. If you're working on taller vehicles or need extra working room underneath, these stands are ideal. What people say. The jack has a sturdy construction and lifts the vehicle smoothly. It's easy to operate and provides stable support. The wide base offers excellent stability, preventing any tipping. Number 3. NEWTRY 10T Short Hydraulic Ram Jack. Experience robust performance with this powerful hydraulic ram, capable of lifting up to 10 tons. Its compact design makes it ideal for heavy-duty tasks in shipbuilding, bridge construction, and general construction. This hydraulic jack offers an extended 2-inch stroke, providing greater height adjustment for more versatile lifting. Its internal hydraulic cylinder ensures smooth operation for all your heavy-duty lifting needs. Simplify your workflow with automatic piston retraction. Once pressure is released, the piston smoothly retracts on its own, offering a hassle-free experience without external force. Designed for flexibility, this hydraulic ram can be used effectively in horizontal, vertical, or inverted positions. Its smooth piston ensures reliable lifting performance regardless of the angle. Pair it with the recommended CP 180 pump for optimal performance. The ZG3 8-foot male connector features a dust-proof cover to prevent oil leakage and maintain the hydraulic system's integrity. Constructed from steel and weighing only 5.5 pounds, this hydraulic jack is both durable and portable. Its compact size and rust-resistant surface treatment ensure long-lasting, reliable operation. What we like. This compact hydraulic ram jack is incredibly versatile, capable of operating at multiple angles. Its automatic retraction simplifies the process after lifting. If you need a lightweight, easy-to-use jack for tight spaces or varied industrial applications, this is a great option. What people say. This jack has a sturdy construction and lifts heavy loads with ease. The wide base provides excellent stability, making it safe to use. It features a smooth hydraulic operation for precise lifting and lowering. Number 2. TEMCo Hydraulic Tow Jack, 10 to 20 ton. This hydraulic tow jack offers robust lifting power, with a 10-ton capacity from the toe and a 20-ton capacity from the top. It's designed to handle heavy loads with ease. With an incredibly low minimum jacking clearance of just 0.875 inches, it can easily get under the lowest machinery. This makes it ideal for tight spaces. Unlike traditional jacks, its cylinder housing is machined for enhanced quality and durability. This superior construction ensures a longer lifespan and reliable performance. It features built-in over-travel protection to prevent damage to internal components. This safeguard ensures the longevity of the jack, even with frequent use. The ram is treated with hard chrome, which not only resists corrosion but also extends the life of the seals. This means less maintenance and more dependable operation. Engineered for demanding tasks, this jack combines strength with advanced features. It's a dependable tool for any lifting job requiring precision and power. What we like. This tow jack excels at lifting in extremely low clearance situations, offering dual lifting points for added flexibility. The hard chrome ram ensures durability and corrosion resistance. If you frequently work with machinery or vehicles that sit very low to the ground, this jack is indispensable. What people say. The jack is very sturdy and well-built, making it feel safe and reliable. It lifts smoothly and easily, even with heavy loads, and the release valve is precise. The compact design allows for easy storage and transport, fitting well in my toolbox. Number 1. 10-ton Porta Power Hydraulic Jack Kit. Introducing a robust 10-ton hydraulic jack, engineered for demanding auto repair tasks. Its multifunctional design makes it ideal for frame straightening and collision repair. Experience enhanced stability with its upgraded steel pump body and integrated pressure bar. The chrome-plated cylinder ensures precision, wear resistance, and a long operational life. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, this unit offers superior strength and resilience. Enjoy long-term durability that outlasts conventional hydraulic tools. This comprehensive kit is perfect for a wide range of auto body repairs, frame straightening, and even construction jobs. It's designed to handle cars, trucks, farm equipment, and heavy machinery. Everything you need is included in this package. From the hydraulic hand pump and cylinder to various extension rods and specialized heads, it's ready for any challenge. Count on its stable oil passage and wear-resistant components for consistent and reliable performance. This tool is built to last and perform under pressure. What we like. This Porta Power Kit features a durable stainless steel pump and an integrated pressure bar for enhanced longevity. It comes with a wide array of accessories for various auto body and frame repair tasks. If you're a professional or DIYer focused on collision repair and frame straightening, this all-in-one kit offers excellent value and performance. What people say. The jack lifts my F350 with ease. It has a wide base for stability. The hydraulic system is smooth and powerful. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.